Hey yo, welcome to Academy Lms Flutter Payment Gateway Addon. In this short video, I'm going to show you how this really works. So first, you are going to install the LMS after you successfully download it from our website, which is bigdraw.com. So get the latest version from here. So once you get the latest version from here, just upload it to your area add-on manager. Just click install and upload it. So as you can see, we have it here, which is Flutterwave Payment Gateway version 2.1. So this is the latest version. So after this has been added, go to your settings and head down to payment settings. Under payment settings, scroll down to where you have set the Flutter settings. As you can see, it is already set as my public and test key. Okay. So after this has been added, you head down to your landing page of your academy. This payment gateway supports two versions, both bundle course and single course. So let's go for the single course. So for the single course is going to be applied for this. So I click on checkout and the single course is going to ask me to select the payment gateway that I really want to use. So here I select Flutterwave. If I click on pay with Flutterwave, it's going to initialize the payment. As you can see, it's worked perfectly. So if I click on cancel, it's going to cancel that. And let's do the same thing for the bundle course. So I'm going to right click here to bundle details and buy now for the bundle course. You can also select different gateway, and here I select Flutterwave for the bundle, and as you can see, it worked perfectly. So what are you waiting for? Do not hesitate to get your own version. Download it at bigdraw.com. Thank you.